what is the best way to get leads online? What is the best way? And honestly, this happens to everybody. That thing I'm going to talk about, I think everybody went through that process. So that's pretty much a testament to how great it is and how it works for pretty much any niches and whatever you are doing. The best way to make sure that you generate leads online is to have a lead generation sales funnel. As simple as that. You need to have a lead generation funnel. That's the number one way to do that. And there are different reasons that you can use them. But why is that the best way to do it actually? Well, one of the reasons is that it's extremely simple to set up pretty much from any funnels that you can get, any funnels that you can make. The leads funnels are by far the simplest to make. Can really take less than 10 minutes. And that's actually what I'm going to show you. If you stay on the show, I'm going to share with you my framework to get your lead generation funnel up in less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. If you'd like to see that, you gotta keep being on the show. But the thing is, it's extremely simple to make and it's extremely scalable. When you have that process, that simple page that is working, you can basically scale it from there and it's going to generate results at scale. And that's extremely easy to scale and just pump more traffic into it. So that's why I really love lead generations pages. And one of the other things that's great with that is that there is a way for every industries. It's not like something that's specific for coaches, consultants, people that sell products online. No, everybody can find a way to use the lead generation funnels. And there is also another, how do you say that, interesting thing that you can do when you are building a lead generation funnel, which is that you're generating and growing your email list. Now, I know some people may go and look up to the sky and be like, hey, generating an email list, why do I need that? Well, you definitely need that. If you are serious about growing your business online, that's basically your lifeblood. You truly need to have an email list. And why is that? Well, let me tell you something. If you have traffic, if you are running ads, if you are posting on social media, you're doing that to generate traffic and customers and ultimately sales, right? Well, the thing is, those ways are efficient, but by far the most efficient way to do that is to do it via email. If you look at conversion rates over a promotional message, over all platforms, you take Instagram, YouTube, you take whatever way of promoting a message that you want, you take all those ways. By far, the best conversions rates you will have are in your email list. Why? Because those are people that know you, trust you, you build a relationship with them if you do it the right way. That's going to be another episode. But the point is, this is the place where you make the most money. Plus, you own the traffic. So if Facebook or Instagram or YouTube got a problem one day and they are not happy with the way you're doing ads, you still have your list and you have full control over that. Where Facebook or YouTube, you have no control over that. So build your list, and leads funnel, lead generations funnels like that are an excellent way to do that and for you to have control. So that's a great thing that you guys need to do.